we are concerned about the loss of life, particularly in Kadapa district, and the huge loss of agricultural lands. And we went to those villages where people are in distress. Then a lot of loss of animal husbandry, infrastructure losses have been tremendous. So we appreciate the memorandum and also the details. Now, I should, at the onset, before I go into the details about the observations of the team, I think, sir, under your leadership, the state is doing a very extremely commendable job, sir. Extremely commendable job. You have a very dedicated principal secretary who traveled 7 hours to be with us on the first day, and the commissioner, and the three deputy commissioners, outstanding work, particularly the Kadapa deputy commissioner. I can place it on record. He's doing a terrible, very intense job. I think they have not slept for weeks. So you've got a very brilliant team of young and dynamic officers in the field. And we keep visiting all these disasters. Unfortunately, we have to take care of this. So our eyes are full of disaster, but this is being handled extremely well. We have also met all the, we were encountered by so many media houses and all the different political parties and all that. So, but everybody is appreciative about what this state is doing. So having said that, sir, I think my initial remarks are that this is predominantly, this is not a classical flood situation as we see, as we define classical flood in the context of floods of Assam or Bihar or Uttar Pradesh. This is basically the system not being ready to get so much water is what we see, because whether it's Kadapa or Chittoor, they are all known for semi-arid region. So if a semi-arid region receives so much rainfall, that would lead to the system being not ready to receive so much water. And the system was already full with the rainfalls of 6th and 12th of November. So it was saturated. The moment more rainfall happened on 18th and 19th, the whole river systems and the dam systems were not ready to receive so much water. So it is not an extremely classical flood, but the impact on the sides of the rivers, both sides of the rivers, almost 2-3 kilometers on both sides of the rivers, and streams also. Embankments have failed. Most of them are earthen dams and earthen structures. They are not made for this kind of rain. So that is, we have seen that. I think particularly Nellore, yesterday we were in Nellore. Nellore is used to taking cyclones, but I think this problem is, and this is a global problem, because we were in Glasgow. I was negotiating loss and damage for the country in Glasgow in climate change. So this is going to be repetitive in the sense that the non-water areas would receive more water, and watered areas will receive less water. So that is going to be reality. So you'll have to, at the end, I'll give some suggestions also, sir. That is the main problem. And the low pressure belt has remained for pretty long. It has hanged for pretty long. So it is not the cyclone that is a problem. It is more the low pressure created, which has lasted for many days, which is the main problem. And yesterday also it was raining in eastern parts of Chittoor. So, and as per the reports, now it is going to be stable, is what we are keeping our fingers crossed. But third onwards, depending on the disturbance of the Bay of Bengal, there might be some more issues.